Who was here last night? Yep. We did it again. Official reading 29 from the Ranger's office. We got, those of y'all never heard, so if it gets below freezing, we get what's called the Polar Bear Award. And it's a nice little badge that we'll hand out at the upcoming pack meeting, but it goes, on your pocket or something like that. It signifies I slept in 32-degree weather or colder. All right, so give yourselves a round of applause. On that note, I do have a neighbor of ours that I want to introduce you to. Mr. Hansen Mr. Hansen is a neighbor right behind us. He's in between all of these Cub Scouts.
Mr. Hansen, we are sorry.
I went over and talked to him. I welcomed him, invited him to the camp out, and we started talking. He and his son were in scouting in Minnesota. Right? In Minnesota, they have a very similar award to this. However, the name of it is called Zero Hero. If you guess what that means, that means this is child's play. He's wearing t-shirt and shorts tonight. So anyway, I wanted to introduce Mr. Hansen. Thank you for coming and joining us.